See that vampire down there? He's weak, but he's good enough for practice.
Dealing with that vampire clown? That's your homework for today.
You guys sure he's weak? Kinda looks like they couldn't handle him very well.
Forget about them. They're weak as well.
Okay.
How is it possible?
The Vampire King is almost invincible. The boy beat him in just seconds.
Not even a match for me. He must be pretty weak.
Sir, who are you? You must be the most powerful werewolf in history.
Powerful? I just defeated a weak vampire.
Did you really say the Vampire King was weak?
Look!
He must be the chosen one. I have to find him and get him back to the Werewolf Academy at any cost.
All the healers! This boy is my dream student. I will make him a healer. Go find him!
My warriors will find him before yours, and if he wants to join my army, my shield will mark him, including me.
Harry, it took you 48 seconds to defeat that vampire today. Too weak.
You need a lot more training, my boy.
I know. I have a long way to go. Logan, Owen, you two have been my mentors for 8 years, and I'm really appreciative of your guidance. But before I met you guys in the forest, I had a dream. I wanted to go to the Werewolf Academy. And I know it might be hard to pass that entrance exam, but I still want to try.
Werewolf Academy. You want to go back to the pack?
It's okay, Harry. It's okay. You can go. It's good to have dreams. You shouldn't stay here in the forest like us old men for decades. Just go. But remember, wherever you go, we'll always have your back.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Oh, check the pocket. Just in case you need some pocket money back in the pack.
Thanks, but you're a wizard. You're poor too, right? It's fine.
Harry, get from your mentors. Just take it. Right. Harry, just take care of yourself.
That black card. I could fund 1,000 packs and he didn't want it.
When Harry goes back to the pack, he is going to blow the werewolf world's mind.
You're back from the forest.
Alara,
8 years I've been waiting, Harry. I knew you wanted to enlist in the academy, so I enrolled and I've been waiting for you.
Take your dirty hands off her. Alara is my Luna. Alara, my summer breeze. You can't seriously consider mating with this half-breed.
What did you just say?
Harry, don't. Matthew's the future alpha of the Ashclaw pack. He's the strongest of our generation. Just let it go.
Honestly, I thought my rival for your mate bond would be what? A tall prince? Maybe a mighty warrior. Now that would be pretty cool. But this guy, absolutely no way, Jose!
Who my mate is has nothing to do with you.
Alara has a bright future ahead. She's already a senior at the academy. And you are just dead wood. Oh, wait. Don't tell me you're here for the entrance exams.
So what if I am?
Laura, you've really grown. You're incredible.
I mean, seriously, a hybrid mutt like you, ain't no chance you're gonna pass these exams.
This low-life cocksucker. That free fuck. He is definitely gonna blow it.
Shut your blabbering mouth!
Harry trains harder than any of you. Don't listen to them. I believe in you.
Alara, I get it. You want to help those who are mentally impaired and physically challenged. But seriously, mark my words, he ain't never gonna get into this academy. Not on my watch.
Harry, too weak.
He's probably right. I won't make it in.
Get away. Harry, you've got this.
Thanks.
Everyone?
3 days ago, the Savior, chosen by the Moon Goddess, appeared. He helped the headmaster to defeat the Vampire King and saved the entire werewolf species. As you all know, we only accept one student each year. However, an exception will be made. If any one of you has a clue to the whereabouts of the Chosen One, you'll be admitted immediately.
The chosen one? The chosen one?
Harry, I'm gonna help you find the Savior. We'll get you admitted.
Thank you, Laura. I owe you one.
It's nothing. We're mates.
The Werewolf Academy entrance exam begins now! The first test is the potential test. When you touch this crystal ball, it will light up according to your potential. The more crystals that light up above it, the higher the grade is that you will receive.
Mr. Quinn, I have the question. What grade would you give to a half-human, half-werewolf freak?
Half-breed werewolves are usually the weakest. Is there one among you?
Well, as a matter of fact, there is.
Breeds will be exempt from testing next year. You will be the last to test today. Let the testing begin. You got a C. You get a D. Worst grade. Lost cause. Not bad. I give you a B.
You guys are all a bunch of pussies. Watch and learn.
Even the testing crystal ball broke. He's so pals. I've never seen two crystals shattered at the same time. Matthew, you're a prodigy. A+. Perfect grade. Your father, the Alpha of Ashclaw, never shattered more than one at a time. You've surpassed him.
Well, thank you, Mr. Quinn. What can I say? It's all in the bloodline.
Well done, brother.
Oh, I cannot wait to watch you fail.
You, the last one, get your ass up here.
This half-wolf definitely has no potential. If he can light it up, I'm gonna eat my shit.
Not even a single crystal lit up.
Yeah, that's what it took. Exactly.
That was absolutely pathetic.
Am I really this weak?
crystal ball didn't even respond at all. You are the worst candidate.
Get the fuck out.
I think it's time you crawled back to the forest, loser.
Harry Frost, 0 potential. You received no grade.
It's a disgrace being in the same test as this impure-blooded fuck.
Exactly. Boys, we are top-tier warriors, right? Now who the hell is he? You don't belong in here. Get the fuck out.
My mentors must be so disappointed in my weakness.
Mr. Gwyn, I have a suggestion. He's wasting everyone's time. I think we should kick him out of this academy.
That's right. Yeah.
Since you don't have any potential, you won't be joining the next test.
You can't do that! Mr. Quinn, wait! Please. In the history of the Werewolf Academy, no candidate has ever been kicked out during the test. The law states we all have the opportunity to take all exams.
A half-breed isn't somebody.
Don't you think the headmaster will find out about this? You know how much he values justice.
Laura, I'm sorry. I failed you.
No. Even if you failed the test, I still believe in you.
I'm sorry, Alara. Did you not just see? He has no potential at all. Alara, it is unwise to go against the Dean and defend him like this.
Laura, I understand you for defending this moron, but choosing Matthew will be the best choice for your pack. Break off this bond immediately. Think about your future.
The moon goddess chose Harry from me. And I'm gonna defend this bond for the rest of my life. Please, Mr. Quinn, you have to let him test.
Laura.
Next test. Including this moron.
No.
An unparalleled genius has appeared in the entrance exam. The detached fragment of my soul on the crystal balls has been destroyed.
How many were shattered?
All of them.
What? How is that possible? Only the Alpha King can destroy all of your detached fragmented souls.
This genius's power is almost godlike.
How can a kid possess such power? The Savior. Only the Chosen One has it.
He's mine.
No, I must be his teacher.
Both of you move aside. Only I am.
This round tests your power. Strike the device in the center, and the wolf's head above it will howl. The louder the sound, the higher your power level. Let's begin.
Goddess, they're using this machine again?
Why is that so special?
It's an ancient artifact. Even if you had half the strength of the Dean, you'd barely get a decibel out of it.
Oh, fuck. If you have 0 potential, you clearly have 0 power. That's basic algebra. Don't break your paw on the way-ins, lame-o.
I'll go first.
Iron Claw requires great control over power, but... not proficient enough. You get a D. Good. You get a B.
Hey, Alara, you're gonna regret picking the puppy over the pure blood.
Oh shit, no way! This is the Thunder Strike! It's the most advanced technique! Thunder Strike takes decades to master, but Matthew's so young. He truly must be the future alpha of the strongest pack!
Advanced? Why does it seem so weak?
the loudest howl I've ever heard from that device. A+, Matthew. You're the best.
I know.
Now, do you think it's still really necessary for you to test?
Yeah, that was
Mr. Quinn, let him proceed.
Why? Bro, why is that?
I can't wait to see how worthless he is.
Don't listen to them. I believe in you.
Holy crap! Gandalf!
We must find the Savior as soon as possible. The power device that has my fragmented soul has been destroyed too.
That's the oldest artifact of the Academy. Not even an atomic bomb could crash it. How is this possible?
Who is this guy? It must be the same person destroying the crystal balls, the Savior. If Tony didn't see what genius he is, I swear I'll kill him.
Haven't seen him after this? He's as good as blind.
If the Werewolf Academy didn't keep him, then I will recruit him into my army.
Don't forget, I want to be his professor too.
You don't stand up!
Fucking loser, man.
A complete failure, just as I expected. Not even a decibel of sound from the device. We should screen the candidates more carefully next year so we don't end up with fools like you.
That was the quietest sound of my werewolf life.
I'm sorry, Alara.
It's okay. We have next round.
Maybe I should just go back to the forest and train. I'm clearly too weak for this.
Harry, we've come this far. There's nothing to be afraid of. I don't want you to give up.
Okay. I'll keep going.
Yeah, loser, she's right. You're the biggest joke in the Academy. Don't be scared to get a bit more humiliated.
Right. I have the most power and potential of any candidate here. Can you not see this? Even your mother wants us to mate. I swear to God, this guy is no better than a rogue. Alara, break your mate bond and be my Luna. I have all the resources, money, power, territory. Only I can protect you.
Matthew, I need you to stop.
Just you wait. You're gonna beg me to mark you. The third game isn't a child's game. It's a game for adults. And your mate will be dead meat.
Enough! Let's stop wasting time on this moron and move on to the next test. Now, welcome the fiercest coach in the Academy.
Line up! Where's your discipline?
Uncle Mike.
Matthew, your grades the first 2 rounds were excellent. You'll definitely get a mission.
Listen up, kids. In this round, you'll have to fight with Coach. Any one of you who can last a minute passes.
Alara is the mate that I want, and that hybrid bastard next to her stole her from me. I want you to.
Killing him as easy as crushing a bug.
Won't the headmaster blame you for this?
Headmaster won't kill her. This loser dies. I'm the highest ranking coach here. And the headmaster's away. I'm the boss here.
The coach is nearly as strong as Gandalf, the headmaster. This test is really dangerous.
I won't last a second out there. He's way too strong.
Hey, let's just see how the others handle it, okay?
The Werewolf Academy only recruits the best young warriors. Who's first? You.
His run third among the young warriors. He only lasted 20 seconds.
Coach is way too strong. Lasting even 1 minute is impossible.
Who's next?
I'll go.
Coach
Coach is using wolf attack. This guy did almost less than 30 seconds. Wow.
Wolf force isn't lethal, but it's enough to handle young warriors like yourselves.
Barely 30 seconds. Isn't there anyone who can do it?
I thought Coach was super powerful, but based on these fights, he seems pretty ordinary.
Bunch of pussies. Matthew, come up. Show 'em what a true warrior looks like.
It will be my pleasure.
Matthew's power is almost as strong as an upperclassman, yet he's still struggling. Coach's power is stronger than I imagined.
No one can take wolf attack except for Matthew. He's truly a genius.
That's Moonfang Slam. It's a very powerful technique. It challenges up to the next level.
Oh, shit!
Coach used less than 1% of his power. Oh, his capability is unfathomable. Matthew, exactly 1 minute. Congratulations, you passed. Yeah.
Come on!
Harry, don't! What are you doing? You're gonna get yourself killed! We're not doing this, let's go!
Alara, I don't think Coach is actually that strong.
What? What?
What do you know about power, you half-breed mutt?
Well, turns out Coach is kinda ordinary. Kinda ordinary.
What the hell you say, motherfucker?
Harry, what the hell are you doing? You're gonna get yourself killed. Coach, we give up. Harry won't take the test.
Alara, let me have a try.
Harry, Coach is nearly as strong as the headmaster. He'll kill you in under a minute. It's not worth it. You won't pass.
Yeah, but
If you want to continue training, let's go back to the forest. The Werewolf Academy isn't the only place to train at. Let's go.
Uncle Mike, he cannot leave.
The academy is no place you can just waltz in and out of.
Exactly, you hybrid moron. How dare you disrespect the academy? Get on stage now. Coach will teach you a lesson.
Alara, let me fight.
How can I stand by and watch you die? I won't let you do it.
Listen, if you break your mate's bond with this loser, coming after his future Luna, I might consider sparing his pathetic life.
Hilera, once you become Matthew's mate, your pack will prosper greatly. And at the same time, you'll save this miserable failure's life. It's your best choice.
I can't let Harry die.
This low-life half-breed is totally worthless. My uncle could kill him with a yawn. But if you agree to be my mate, I might let him live. Think about it. Alara, even my patience has limits. Don't be foolish now, okay? You do not want me to mock you the hard way.
don't you fucking touch Alara.
Oh, wow. And now the halfie wants to play hero. There is no way this guy is gonna get in that ring.
Yeah, there you go. Good old steak.
Harry, don't! Don't!
You want to fight, Coach? I'm right here.
You want to die, huh? I'll grant his wish.
The test begins.
This failure has no power, no potential, and it's only a half-breed. How dare you provoke the coach?
This idiot is digging his own grave.
Oh, you are so silly. Right into my trap.
Harry, get off of the ring!
Oh, it's too late for that now. His life is no longer in his hands.
I'll tear you to pieces. That's a punishment for running your mouth.
Oh my god! That's Coach's rampage mode. He's using 100% of his power.
Harry, get off now!
This fool has no chance now. Come on.
Is that all you got? Thought you were our toughest coach.
What the hell you say, you son of a bitch?
How's that possible?
Click the link below. You can watch the entire series.